Hey lovies, welcome back. So this is hair from Eva Hair, and the packaging is so gorgeous. As you guys know, you see the pink, it matches my theme. Okay, so the reason why I love this company is because as soon as you open the box, okay, they give you some gifts, honey. There's a rat tail comb. This is a rat tail comb. If you are like a YouTuber or you do hair in general, you know how important a rat tail comb is. And they also gave me some wig caps. And then another thing they gave me, guys, oh my gosh, is the elastic band. This keeps your wig into place, okay? It is very necessary when you go to the pool. You need an elastic band, okay? So the hair comes so nice like this, guys. You guys can see the curls. It is so gorgeous. And the hairline was already kind of pre-plucked. I just went ahead and plucked it more, as you guys will see. But the curls are nice. This is my dome head, guys. The link will be down below in the description box. So I'm just placing my wig on the dome head, and I have these T-pins that also came with my dome head. So the T-pins are going to allow me to place the wig on the dome head and keep it secure so that it doesn't move anywhere. Okay guys, make sure you place T-pins on each sides of the wig. So the front, the right side, and also the left side is important where you place the wig. Okay, so just that it doesn't move. You don't want it moving or going anywhere. Okay. I'm actually going to be watering the hair down, watering as if the hair is plants. No, guys, you got to take care of your hair, okay? I'm spraying it. As you guys can see, I twisted it to the spray bottle, not the stiff one, because I want the hair to go everywhere. And guys, don't mind my computer. My computer is okay, okay? So I'm going to start with my rat tail comb, the one that they gave me, of course, and I'm going to part the outlining of the hair. Guys, this part, you don't need to part it too thick, okay? It's just so that we can pluck the hair to make it look more natural, okay? Guys, my tweezer is a blunt tweezer. It is not a sharp one. I have the sharp ones, okay? I have the sharp ones. The sharp ones are for anything else besides my wig plucking, because I don't want to rip my lace, okay? It is so easy to rip a lace if you have like sharp tweezers. So make sure that the tweezers are blunt. I'll link these tweezers in the description box, guys. Be sure to get them. Trust me, they're a lifesaver. They help you. Trust me. Guys, notice how I'm plucking, and then I'm moving my hand back to get the hair out of the way. It's so that I can see what I'm actually doing, okay? Now, you're going to take the comb. I took the fine rat tail comb so that I can brush all of the hair out. Comb all of the hair out so that I can see my progress. Okay guys, so this Cantu leave-in conditioner is perfect for curly hair. I'm ultra natural, so I use this conditioner as well. So I'm just treating this hair as if it was my own. This is exactly what I would do to my hair. I'll moisturize it before I decide to, you know, put anything inside of it or anything like that. So guys, I will be parting my hair. I am doing a middle part on this wig just because I'm a middle part girl, okay? Another thing that I wanted to say, guys, is this wig, oh my gosh, if you guys see how big the lace is, this part goes straight, completely all the way to the back of my head, even as I put the wig on. Just look at that. not a lot of wigs have something like that. Some of them are very short lace. They don't come long like that, if anything. But this one I just found is so amazing. So again, I'm going to pluck, guys. Blunt, blunt, blunt. I repeat, blunt tweezer is very key to plucking your lace. Then I'm going to go ahead and apply some mousse to the top of the hair. This is just so that I can lay out the hair. I can get a depiction of how everything is going to be, how I want to place the hair, all of that good stuff, okay? I'm just going to lay the mousse on the hair and I'm going to comb the mousse out, okay? Now, when you're parting the baby hair, guys, do not use too much hair, like of your hair, because this wig already gave you a pre-plucked, okay? And I just think that's so amazing how they already did that. Now, be sure to use these, guys. These are like eyebrow shaping pencils. They're only about $1. I'll link it down below as well. But you notice how they cut the hair nice. Do not use scissors or anything like that because it's just going to ruin your hair, okay? Now, guys, I will be taking my edge brush. Now, guys, this edge brush is bomb, okay? It has a comb. If you can see, it has a comb at the other end, too, to be doing my hair. I remind you guys, everything will be linked down below. Take it from me. I'm helping you all out, okay? Okay. So I'm just doing this so that the hair will be nice. You see the back of that comb? It's helping me comb out the hair so that I can see where my baby hairs will lay, okay? On to the cutting of the lace, guys. I do use the scissors when I'm starting to cut the lace just to make a straight line. But as you guys can see, my handy dandy thingy majigger comes into place as well because it's also going to help me create rigid lines. Not like scissors. Scissors are more straightforward. This is going to help create a rigid line for my hairline so that it looks real. Okay, guys, on to the applying of the makeup. I just got my regular makeup brush and my foundation, and I'm going to be applying it over the hair. Some people don't apply it all over the hair. I'm going to try to apply it towards the whole, everything, because I like to do top ponytails or 2 piglets in the front and things like that, and I just want the lace to look more natural. And that's it, guys. We are done, and this is how I get a natural looking wig like this, honey boo. Okay. Again, I want to thank Eva Hair for sending me this hair, and I also want to thank you guys for watching this video. I love you guys. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.